My eyes!
So now that we've gotten the new replacement HDMI to Minidisplay to HDMI, I should say, which is an Amazon Basic model made by Amazon instead of the CNA bullshit I ordered 5 months ago, which crapped out on me a couple of days ago. One of my cousin's dogs. So, there we go. So, okay, there. That should do it. Now to connect my HDMI cable to the Sony, from my PlayStation 3 to my computer, as the captain calls it. Shut the hell up. Don't like the look of those wires back there. Oh shit. It happens every time. Knock down my sensor bar. Happens every time. Now what we're gonna do is okay, now that we've got it connected, sorry you didn't see that, I gotta order myself a tripod. Alright, let me turn off the light real quick. I wish you can do it while you're recording. Alright, so now let's turn on the TV. Oh, I forgot to close this. And let's see if it works. It works. Happy days. Let's enter my password real quick. Pull the wire out of the way. I'm not going to show you my password because that's none of your damn business. So here we are. And as you can see, it works now. Hopefully this will last me much longer than 5 months. So, it works. It works. I just hope it holds out on me. And I really need to get a new phone. This display is no good. Yeah. Well, anyway, that's a test of the Amazon Basic Mini Display port to HDMI. So, this has been walked me through. I'm Mr. Orthopedia saying peace, and that's a wrap. See you soon.